Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the banner widget powered by Ultimate Post Kit add-on for Elementor. On the screen, the widget has already been dragged inside the editor page. The interface gives the look of a banner design packed with badges, title, subtitle, text and button in front of the white background. Let's change the text content of the banner through the layout option here. For better design, there are two badges in the interface, and here you can change their texts. As for the image, let's pick a banner type image here. For ease of use, the background image can be repositioned. From the additional settings section, first you can change the banner layout style from the three options at top. The three unique styles let you create a diverse banner style to suit your landing page. Right below, the scroll bar lets you customize the item height. Also, the alignment option works on the text. The switches below help show or hide specific elements on display. For example, let's turn off the Show Text button and see the description text vanishing from the display. Additionally, you can change the primary badge position from the options like this. If it's not necessary, you can turn off the secondary badge switcher here. Then from the Read More section, you can change the button text, button link and icon. Now let's switch to the Style tab. Here in the first section, you will have the option to add overlay color to the banner along with border settings. Use border radius to curve the edges of the background. In the Title section, you can change the title color to white as well as change the font style through typography settings. Typography has lots of options to customize the font appearance, you'll find that. After that, in the Subtitle section, let's customize the text color first. You'll also find padding and margin options there. Again, you can take advantage of the typography option to make lots of changes to the font. Then we can switch to the Read More section. First, go for the text color. Then go for the background color, a white background behind the black title text. For the border, select a border type and a thin border width, and then set the border color. For hover mode, you can select white for the text and transparent color for the background. Reducing color opacity makes it transparent. Switching back to the normal mode, below you can add border radius values to make the button rounder. Unlink the padding field and customize the values to get the perfect shape. That looks more refined. If you want to reposition the button, simply use the margin fields to do that. Then you can go for the typography option and customize the font. Lastly, in the badge section, you can change the badge text color and then the background color to match your banner content. Unlink border radius field and only apply the left value to match it with the background curves. Then unlink and customize the padding values to adjust the background area of the badge. And of course, customize the typography while you are at it. Great! You have created a nice looking banner using the widget from Ultimate Post Kit. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.